This is our Desmos presentation. Um, this is the topic that will be discussed in our presentation. The first part was about Desmos. Second part was about the function that we made. And the third part was the graphs. So first, what is Desmos? Desmos is an advanced graphing calculator implemented as a web application and a mobile application written in JavaScript. It was founded by Eli Luberov, a math and physics double major from Yale University, and was launched as a startup at TechCrunch Disrupt New York conference in 2011. In addition to graphing both equations and equalities, it also features lists, plots, regression, interactives, variables, graph restriction, simultaneous graphing, piecewise function graphing, polar function graphing, two types of graphing grids, among other computational features commonly found in a programmable calculator. So our next part is about our functions. These are the five functions that our group made and inputted in the Desmos.
This is the number one function, which is for x squared negative minus 2, rather minus 1. In the right side, you can see the table of x and y. Uh, for you to get the value of x and y, you need first to find the vertex and AOS. After nyan, we will substitute yung value ng x para makuha natin yung y. Uh, which is yung negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Then, to plot this point, yung first given coordinate ay negative 2 and 19. So, yung x coordinate ay yung negative 2. So, titingin ka sa x-axis kung nasaan yung negative 2. Bago mag-start ng plot, pupunta tayo sa origin, which is yung pinakagitna. Then, since that is negative 2, mag-move tayo ng 2 units to the left. After nyan, mula sa negative 2, mag-move tayo ng 19 units pataas. Then, so on and so forth. Next.
On function 2, we got this answer by comparing the graph to the table and by using the function given, which is fx equals 12x squared plus 8x minus 12. First of all, we gonna use the x point so that we can get the fx answers. Yun, ano natin, yung mismo given natin are negative 2 and negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So that we can get the x function that is 20, negative 8, negative 12, 8, 52. And after that, we need to plot the answer to the graph and so on. Next, reporter.
Function number 3. 2x squared minus 6x minus 2. We have table and they have two column, the x and y. The x is given na ito at binigay na ng app ng Desmos na kung saan pwede mo pindutin yung settings para makita yung table. Sa x, we need to substitute the negative 2, 1, 0, 1, and 2 so that we can get the 18, 6, negative 2, negative 6, negative 6 ulit. So yun ganun lang kadali yun. Next.
Ang given ay fx equals x squared, negative 4x, negative 2. Tapos kailangan hanapin yung x and y para mabuo yung graph. Yung x ay may given na negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, and 2. Kaya nakuha yung y ay dahil sinubstitute ko lang yung negative 2 sa given na may dalawang x. Then nakuha na si x and y. So, bali, doon iko-connect mo na sila para mabuo yung graph. Since we are using Desmos, it is how we meant instantly create a graph by simple entering in your function. Graphing was made easier. Next.
Our last function, which is function number 5. So this is our function number 5. The given function was f of x is equal to 6x squared plus 4x minus 12. Um, we input this function to Desmos and it was automatically graphed and computed by the Desmos. The table on the right side was the values of x and y's. For us to get the value of y, we need first to declare the value of x for us to actually solve for y. Um, in getting the value of y, we need first to substitute the value of x to the given function and then solve the function. The f of x is also represent the y. Um, as you can see here in the graph, points are already plotted by Desmos. The coordinates of the graphs are -2, 10, and -1, 3, and 0 and -2, 1, -5, 2, and -6. The first points are of the coordinates represents the x value, and the second was the y. After plotting all the points, we can now connect all of it to form a parabola, and this is our final graph. And this is our presentation about Desmos. Thank you.